Hi, today I will show you how to use Julie Emulator in Magneti Marelli IAW 5SF8 ECU, which has an ST10F296 processor. In order to read and save the content in the processor, we're going to use KTech by Alien Tech. Let's open the ECU and connect it according to the manual. Gray alligator clip goes to boot pin, brown alligator clip goes to reset pin. Connect the remaining wires according to connection manual in KTech program. Now, read the content and make a backup copy. Choose the item that you see on the screen and click OK. Now, click Read and wait for the content to read. Make a backup copy and save it separately. Quit the program. Open MPC file in the hex editor and, for a solution with the emulator, write FF values in the following addresses in the MPC ST10F296 processor. Now, save the changed value into the processor. Open the program and uncheck Restore box. Micro ST10F296 will be highlighted with green color. Select the file edited for the emulator and click Open. Solder jumpers J5, J6 and J7 in Julie Emulator. Solder CAN low, CAN high, power, ground. Disconnect antenna coil from ignition switch before starting the car. The white LED is power. The blue LED on the emulator lights constantly and blinks every other second. That's all. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.